Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to create a group chat in WhatsApp. So let's open WhatsApp on your phone, and then you want to go to Chats section at the bottom side of the screen. Now let's tap Start a New Chat button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap New Group. So you'll see a list of your contacts that you have in WhatsApp. So simply tap the contact that you want to add to the group. So let's put a tick next to them, and then you want to tap this arrow at the bottom right corner of the screen, and now you want to give a group name, and finally you want to tap this check mark in order to create a group. So when the group is created, you can also add icon to set this as a group icon. So you need to tap here, and you can use your camera, or you can add photo from your gallery, or use emojis and stickers. And as well, you can add members by using this button, and also you can invite members using a link or simply QR code. So that is basically it. That's how you can create group chat in WhatsApp. And if this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.